Hey guys, it's Addie here and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to straighten my hair without straightening it. And please don't mind my dog. He is in the back room and he is really annoying, so hold on, I'll be right back. Yes, it's Addie here and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to blow dry slash comb brush my hair. I'm going to tell you right now, this has reduced my time of blow drying and straightening my hair. This does it all in one. I got this product from Amazon. It is the one-step hair dryer. Yeah, I mean, there's the Revlon out there as well that looks exactly like this, and I'm pretty sure that they do the exact same thing. There's really like no difference aside. But anyways, yeah, this is my best friend. I have naturally curly hair and I would always have to blow dry and then straighten my hair, and it just took forever. So if you have curly hair out there or wavy hair, this will be your best friend. It is the best. Now going over the settings here, there's high, middle, and low. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't have a cool setting, so literally when you're blow drying your hair with this thing, it is hot the whole time, and I want you guys to be careful because this will get so hot that if you touch anywhere on it, it will burn you. So I kind of burned myself a little bit through the videos, but that's the only thing I don't like about this product. But other than that, it's good. There's these little fine bristles here, just like any regular brush with the plastic tip, but then also there's these little bristles in every one of these plastic ones to create smoothness, I guess. It's to help smooth out and control your frizz. So that's what I like about this. And I've noticed a huge difference between this and straightening my hair. My hair isn't completely flat. It gives me more volume and it's nice and smooth. And it looks like I just walked out of a salon. That's what I think. So yeah, so if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and get that like in there if you like the video. And without further ado, let's get started.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. Baby, I feel crazy. Baby, I feel crazy. Jump in a Cadillac, girl, it's pushing oh, if you know what you came for, this is what you came for. Tell me what you came for. Everybody's watching her. This is what you came for. I don't need eyes to see. I felt you touching me.
a dot, dot, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot, pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Grab me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bougie, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. My niggas is bad and bougie, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too.
So we'll be something haters. In the place that feels the tears, the place you lose your fears, yeah, reckless behavior. A place that is so pure, so dirty, yeah, you're all
Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Like, are you getting with my neighbor?
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop.
And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Back on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead.
Time to impress. Come and climb in my bed. Don't need no butterflies when you give me the whole damn. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. It's all in my head. What am I to do with my life? I'm supposed to know my style. My name is on, my sign is on. We're real wrong. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Now to the I to the no.
And every time I go out, yeah, hear it from this one, hear it from that one, that you got someone new.
If you know about me and choose to stay, then take this pleasure and take it with the pain.
And the more I drink, the more I think about you.